In today's video, we are going to be focusing on people that always deal with tired looking skin, like their skin is always looking stressed, their skin is always looking dull, regardless of how much sleep or how much rest they have. Now, I'm here to tell you that that is not just your skin, it is what we call oxidative stress. And in today's video, we are going to be discussing how that happens, why it happens, and the perfect routine that will help you to fix your tired looking skin. So if this topic sounds like something that resonates with you, please stick around with me to the end of this video. Do well to watch from start to finish so that you don't miss any vital information. And if you eventually find today's video helpful, please do well to hit the subscribe button to be a member of this amazing family. Like, share. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section. Now, without further ado, let us just quickly jump right into this video. Now, there are some people that no matter how much sleep they get, even if they sleep for more than 8 hours, they still wake up with their skin looking tired, with their skin looking dull, with their skin looking stressed. If you're dealing with this situation, you have oxidative stress. And to cut the long story short, the answer to your problem is to incorporate antioxidants in your morning skincare routine. You see, this antioxidants, a lot of people don't talk about it enough. It is not being spoken enough. And that is because people don't really know the importance of incorporating antioxidants in your morning skincare routine. Now, the reason why your skin looks tired and your skin looks stressed despite the amount of rest and sleep you have is because your skin is not being protected from all the environmental factors that affect the skin during the day. Now, I always say this, that your morning skincare routine should be focused on protecting your skin because there are things in the environment that we do not see. We call them free radicals. They include sun, they include pollution, even sweats. All these things attack your skin during the day. So antioxidants are like tiny bodyguards for your skin. They neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage your skin cells and make your skin to look tired and lack radiance and lack glow. Now, apart from protecting your skin against these free radicals, antioxidants will also help to brighten your skin. They will also help to boost collagen production and give your skin that youthful bounce. They help to calm inflammation, they help to even out your skin tone, and they help to protect your skin against free radicals, which I've already explained. Now, there are different types of antioxidants. The first one is vitamin C. Vitamin C is like the most powerful antioxidant. It helps to boost collagen production. If you want to have that youthful plump, youthful bounce, you need to incorporate a vitamin C serum in your morning skincare routine. Emphasis on morning skincare routine. Your vitamin C serum should always be used in the morning. It also helps to brighten your skin and fade minor discoloration. Remember that there are different forms of vitamin C. We have L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest form. It is very, very strong, super effective, but may not be good for people with sensitive skin or people with acne-prone skin. So if you're in this category, you should opt for derivatives of this L-ascorbic acid. We have magnesium ascorbic phosphate, we have ascorbic glucoside, we have ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a gentler form. If your skin is sensitive or if you're acne prone skin, go for vitamin C serums that are formulated with derivatives or gentler forms of vitamin C. But if you've tried to use these gentle forms of vitamin C or the derivatives and you're still breaking out or your skin is still getting irritated, then you can now conclude that vitamin C serums or vitamin C products are just not for you. You can opt for niacinamide. Now, niacinamide is another form of antioxidant. It also brightens the skin. It also helps to calm inflammation. It helps to soothe redness, and it helps to strengthen your skin barrier. And niacinamide can be used both day and night. Now, if you have like a vitamin C serum and you have a niacinamide serum, please ensure you use your vitamin C during the day and then you can use your niacinamide at night. Another type of antioxidant that is also very good is green tea. Now, green tea helps to calm the skin, helps to soothe the skin, helps to calm down redness or inflammation. If your skin is looking stressed and your skin is irritated, you have redness or rosacea, your skin looks inflamed, let's say you have inflamed acne, green tea is the perfect antioxidant for you. We also have vitamin E and ferulic acid as other type of antioxidants. If you get a very good vitamin C serum, there is a high chance that they also include one or these two ingredients, vitamin E and ferulic acid. This is why I advise that you should get a good vitamin C serum. You see this one from Timeless that I'm using. It contains vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C. In addition to that, To make it more potent, it also contains vitamin E that helps with hydration, and it also contains ferulic acid. These two, vitamin C and vitamin E and ferulic acid, they serve as stabilizers, and they have other added advantage when used together with vitamin C. Two things you should not sleep on in your morning skincare routine are: number one, antioxidant serum; number two, sunscreen. You see these two, they work hand in hand. They work beautifully well together to ensure that your skin is fully protected from all the environmental factors that can affect your skin and make your skin look tired and stressed. Now, let us create a very simple morning skincare routine. Now we are going to be starting with a clean skin. Get yourself a gentle cleanser. So after cleansing, the next item you're going to go in with is your hydrating product, either your hydrating toner, a hydrating serum, or your hydrating essence. Like, all these ingredients will help to keep your skin plump. They will help to plump that your tired or your stressed looking skin. After that, you go in with your antioxidant serum. Just pick one. I've already explained what they do, so pick one depending on what you're experiencing. Okay, if your skin looks dull, you want a brighter skin, go for vitamin C, which I highly recommend, on niacinamide. That is if your skin cannot handle vitamin C. If you have inflamed acne, you have rosacea, your skin is looking red, your skin is looking very irritated, now is not the time to use vitamin C, because honestly speaking, vitamin C can increase that irritation and worsen your skin. So you can either opt for niacinamide or you opt for green tea. So just ensure you use an antioxidant serum, and then after that you can use your moisturizer. Even if you don't want to use your moisturizer during the day, you can skip it and use your sunscreen, which is another important thing, like non-negotiable. Get yourself a good sunscreen that your skin likes, because I've come to realize that the reason why a lot of people don't like to use sunscreen is because they haven't found the one that their skin likes. It's either the sunscreen you're using is breaking them out, or is making them sweat, or is stinging their eye, or it is leaving white casts. So it can be quite uncomfortable, and you will not really want to apply your sunscreen and even reapply it. But once you get a good sunscreen that suits your skin, that your skin loves, your skin can handle, trust me, applying sunscreen wouldn't be a difficult task. For sunscreen recommendation, you see this one from Nivea. I don't even think about applying it. I always apply it. Like, it just comes natural because it is an amazing sunscreen. This is good for people with oily skin. I know how difficult it is picking the perfect sunscreen for my oily skin girlies, but you see this one from Nivea, you are going to love it. It is super lightweight. It doesn't leave your skin greasy. It doesn't have this oily finish. Super lightweight. It leaves a natural finish. You're going to love it if you have an oily skin. But if your skin is normal or your skin is dry, you can use Skin Aqua. Some people with oily skin also enjoy Skin Aqua, so just use the one that your skin likes. So guys, this is the routine that will help you with your stressed looking skin, your tired looking skin, your dull looking skin. Just be consistent with this morning skincare routine and you're going to see improvements in your skin within 2 to 3 weeks. Then if you're wondering at night, what will I use? At night, don't forget to exfoliate your skin. Use the chemical exfoliant that suits your skin type. I always talk about this. There are different chemical exfoliants. There's glycolic acid, there is salicylic acid, there is lactic acid, there's mandelic acid. Just pick the one that suits your skin type. Exfoliate your skin only at night, and do that not more than 2 times weekly. So guys, if you have any questions, please do to drop them in the comment section. I always try to reply my comments. Engage in this video, please like and share. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a beautiful week. Bye.